Magandang araw.
Look, Victor,
Ah,
I'm back with my husband. And whatever we had was just
magandang araw
nothing.
at magandang araw.
Hey, he's here.
Lemon,
Everyone is getting ready for dinner.
pipigayin
We're
ko
gonna meet downstairs in an hour.
at lalagyan ng tubig
Great.
para meron po kami ininom na lemon with water araw-araw. Dito ko siya ilalagay. 2.5 na tubig ito. 2.5
Time for a toast.
liter.
To old friends.
Para ting kakain ng tanghalian, merong iniinom na lemon with water.
Work.
Pipigayin ko na lahat. Yung 6 na piraso. Kasi
I'm so sorry to hear that.
nung araw pa yun eh. Kasi kaubos lang po yung ginawa ko.
How
Eh
excited.
ngayon, meron pa akong tirang 6.
Weird.
Bibirayin ko na lahat yan. Para sa iinumin tubig. Ayan, ano po. Pipigayin ko na. Eh kasi na ano na. Yan, ilalagay ko muna rito. Siyempre ito yung buto. Para paglagay ko rito, wala nang buto. Ito naman, kutsilyo. Tsaka sangkalan. Tsaka lang po, ano? Ayan. Ganun lang talaga. Oh. Hindi po ba? Maganda. Oh. Para makatest nyo talaga. Ito, titignan nyo Ganyan ninyo Ayan, pagkikita ko sa inyo. No? Oh. Ayan. Oh. Oh, ganyan ninyo yan. Oh. Para yung palbits. Oh. Kita nyo po, tumutulo yung palbits. Ano? Oh. Yan ang technique. Kasi itong kutsilyo matigas. Kapag ginanyan mo, di po ba ito. No? Ubod lakas yung pigahin. May palbits. Sayang yan, Kita nyo? Ganyan na naman, Ito lang, pasok yung kutsilyo. Diyan ganyan nyo. Nakita nyo, tumutulo yung tubig. Katas ng lemon. Kasi po, pero kung merong sanang gamit, yung gamit na, kasi dati meron kami Hindi ko alam kung nasaan Iganyan mo lang at saka mo ganyan. Nakakita gaganyan nyo. Eto na siya. So hindi nyo siya nakikita, Yan ako itong cellphone. Ganun lang po. So nakaisa na tayo. Pangalawa. Gusto nyo, yung ginugulong yan, gulong-gulong nyo muna sa sangkalan. Kanya lang, dahan-dahan Baka masugat naman kayo. Baka masugat kayo.
I know how close you were with Victor.
Mapapayo ko po sa inyo, dahan-dahan lang kayo. Baka masugat kayo. Kasi kung minsan sa lakas, tumatagas dito yung kutsilyo. Kaya
Can't believe they're treating us like killers. With no murder.
Our security cameras, they must have picked up something.
ang maganda nito, lumalakas pa yung daliri nyo. Kasi pinipiga nyo eh. Parang yung mga daliri po natin, na-stretch pa. Exercise, sika nga. Sige, gulong-gulong nyo pong ganyan, no?
Is how she done it?
Ah,
Sure. I saw that thing. With you and Victor last night. That was just a listen.
pag bibili kayo nito, wag yung mga bago, makakapalang balat.
Neither here
Ito, maninipis na yung balat, oh. Kita nyo?
bedroom. What did you
Pagka maninipis na, makapal na masabaw na yon.
No, it was nothing.
Ano po, wag. Kaya makakamura ka,
Because he wouldn't let you go. Excuse
yung bibilin mo yung malapit na mabulok.
different thing. Turn yourself in.
Oh.
I did not do this.
O kaya malambot na. Alam niyo naman yung sariwa nito, makulay na makulay yung balat.
What is her problem?
Get the hell out of here.
Kaya ako, payo ko dahil kutsilyo, baka tumagos, masugat kayo.
Horrible thing.
Kaya payo ko sa inyo, daan-daan lang.
Something that any of you guys did.
Huwag kayo masyadong manggigil.
I'm his business partner.
At saka magsalamin kayo,
Once it stays in
kasi tumatalsik eh.
what happens to him, the business
Ano, yan, tumatalsik sa mukha ko. Kasi buti may salamin ako. Oh.
It's a hospital.
was Victor acting
Kasi yung mata mo, kung meron kayong salamin na goggles, yung
bad to get something in his
ginagamit sa ano,
He took the phone
pangkontra ng alikabok.
and got angry and then
Maganda yun. Ito medyo ano na, kinukulap po na eh.
he didn't want me to get a conversation. Maybe he was in some kind of trouble. No.
Malambot na yan.
He had a very adventurous private life and just assumed it was yet another woman he's
Kaya daan-daan lang po
Yes, we
Kasi kutsilyo ito eh.
Which one?
Kahit hindi matalim o matalim, lalo na kung matalim,
not everything that's going on. Well,
delikado.
lawyers said we
Baka mayuha yung mga daliri nyo.
should have them to put minds on things.
Alam nyo naman, pag daliri ang naiwa, napakahirap.
So you should just
Kasi yung daliri ang ginagamit natin.
I'll be in my room.
O, paano ka makakaawak? Medyo malambot na yung balat, oh. Ito yung parting ano. Ito,
The union as a suspect?
gawin nyo. Ayan, oh.
And my parents are
Kung ano yung makuha nyo na lang.
Really?
O, lumalabas na yung buong palbits, oh.
Yeah. Yeah, I was planning to take you to dinner, but did everything go
Yan,
well?
tama na yun.
how is that? Actually, it's better than hanging around here pretending everything is normal.
Ganyan lang po, ano.
I'll make the reservation.
Yes, you do.
Itong tinuturo ko, di naman po parang nagmamagaling. Sa akin lang, malay ninyo, may matutunan naman kayo kahit pa paano. Ano po? Kasi baka naman may magko-comment nyo, bakit hindi na lang doon sa makina? O yan o, tumatasik sa mata eh. O, kaya kailangan. Kung meron po kayong makina, bakit hindi? Kung kaya nyong gawin. Pero kung gusto nyo ma-exercise yung daliri nyo, eto, gayahin nyo lang ako. Kanya lang. Dahan-dahan lang. Yun, baka sabihin niya, ba't ko pinagtsatsaga kukunin yung mga sapal? Para sapal yun eh, yung palbits. Sa totoo lang, sapal na talaga yan. Pero sayang naman po yung lasa niyan. Yung iba nga eh, pati balat eh. Yung mga bago. Actually, pati balat nilalagay nila. Sariwa yun eh, mga bago. Ayan, ganyan lang po, ano? Huli na ito, last. O, gulong-gulong yun yung ganyan.
Hey,
Para kayo naglarong bata.
I found something really interesting. What is it? It seems like he was talking to someone yesterday and they were making free. And who was he talking to? Looks like the username is Angel All-Star Mom 233. Do you think there's somebody at the reunion?
Ang kagandahan, pag uminom kayo ng ganito sa tangali, maganda. Sa YouTube nakita ko ito kaya ginaya ko. At hindi lang yon. Araw-araw dumudumi ako. Eh, kasi mga simito eh. Hindi na ito, last na lang. Ganyan lang po, laro-laro lang, parang bata. Sana, oh, yan oh. Oh, oh. Ay, nahulog. Di ba, dito lang sa lalagyan oh. O, tigayin nyo na oh. So, next move, kukuha tayo ng pantanggal. Tinidor, maganda. Tinidor.
Okay, sweetie, look. I know you're having a hard time trusting your dad again. But all of that is in the past.
Ito po yung nakuha ko.
Look, I'm going to meet my friend Morgan for coffee. Hey!
Ayan na nakuha ko.
I think you're gonna love the place.
Well, I can't wait. Things have been a little tense around the house lately.
Yeah, I can imagine.
Ito yung balat.
What are you up to now?
Oh, Mom. Hi, Simon. He said
So,
hi.
muna yung ano,
She's supposed to meet up with her friend
mga
Morgan
buto.
next door.
Cool.
O, di kaya,
Oh, you want back in the city?
Sounds good.
ganito lang.
Bye. So you'll call me when you're back from Morgan and I'll meet you back there? Sounds
Kung
good.
ayaw nyo naman tanggalin ng buto, baka sumasama yung palbits, huwag nyo na lang tanggalin. Kasi,
What are you doing?
total naman, pag naubos nyo naman, hindi nyo naman,
Really? It's just
oh,
like that. I already told her what I think happened.
ayan, no?
What is your problem, Whitney? Disagreeing with Victor does not make me a killer. Whatever you say.
Practice.
Excuse me? Angel All-Star Mom is an interesting name. It's my daughter's cheerleading squad. Which makes it even more strange that you chose to use that name while messaging with Victor. How do you know about that? Nobody I know about this, Claire. I would destroy my life. I'd lose my husband, my kids. Victor and I, nothing happened. We never acted on anything. Does it make it any better? Don't pretend to be so perfect. You slept with him. I was separated when we dated. After my husband cheated on me. I can tell you firsthand, nothing stings quite as bad as finding out your spouse wants someone else. Whether they act on it or not. Can I help you? Hi. I'll take a latte. And you? I'm good, thank you. I was here earlier with Whitney. Did it? She did. I don't share that opinion. I'm glad. Is everything okay? Yeah. Hey, I know we haven't been in touch for a long time, but I'm here if you ever want to talk about anything.
Tsaga-tsaga lang.
I appreciate that. You were planning to get your ND back in college, right? Life took some interesting turns. Medical school wasn't really in the cards for me. What happened? I got into a relationship with someone, and it wasn't really in our plans for me to continue school. Sounds like things were pretty serious with this guy, huh? They were. Past tense. 20 years of my life off and on. My ex. Anyone who never let me forget that. Truthfully, I always wondered what he saw in me. What do you mean? My
Ay,
mom
dami na oh.
said it was a good thing I was smart. Because
Dami na tanggal.
shred of the stick when it came to looks perfect. Are you kidding me? You're beautiful. Smart. A total catch. I sure hope this guy doesn't have a picture anymore. He advocates many times. When things were good, really good. And when things were bad, I was waiting around for him to come back. And now here I am. Alone. You're not. I'm sorry. It's okay. I just ended my wrist recently. What happened?
Ayan, no?
How $12,000 of company money be unaccounted for? Okay. I'll check into it. Thank you.
Sige, lagay mo lang dyan. Marami na ako natatanggal.
Seems like you had living in the way with most people. I'm so worried about her. I can't seem to shake this feeling that she's caught in some toxic, maybe even abusive
Lalagay na natin.
Just hope this guy doesn't try to come back into her life. Oh, wow. Thanks for coming over. Of course. You know,
Ayun.
I can't believe Victor would steal money from our practice. I know he's not the same, but I would have been there for the best. He's not trying to screw your door. What do you think Victor did with the money? And who was the check written out to? It was made out of cash. You know, there was this
So,
one thing too. What? Our assistant. She was going to
lalagyan ko na lang pong tubig. Ayan, no?
office, and she found this gold pendant shoved underneath some paperwork.
Lalagyan kong tubig. Diretso ko na ang ilalagay sa rep. Nandun po yung tubig namin, yung
Oh, that's the Barton University mascot.
mineral water, ano, nasa kabila.
Why would he have
Ayun, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo
maybe a patient gave it to him?
na
Someone that was proud that our modern
ganun lang po, ano?
Victor.
Hindi naman kailangan talagang,
Drops in the trash.
sabi ko nga po, kung meron kayong ano, yung pigahan,
It's kind of nice for someone to just
o yung blender, kung blender man tawagin yan,
crazy.
mas maganda. Hindi na kayo pumipiga, nakagaya ng inyong nakita sa akin.
And I cannot help but wonder.
So, ang lahat-lahat na ito, 6
Only imagine that
na piraso.
well, you want to go over there?
Ayan.
The investigation, is that even allowed?
Po,
But
eh, yung mga buto.
will be back in town tomorrow. She has a case.
So, diretso na sa basura ito. Sabi nga, waste. Ayan, ano po. Ganyan lang po. Kada kain mong tanghali. Sa tanghali lang naman iniinom ito. Kasi sa umaga, garlic water with calamansi po ang tinitira ko. Wala pang almusal.
Hello? Hey,
Then sa gabi naman, bago matulog,
by chance, if you
garlic water with calamansi na naman. Meron po akong bawang. Tsaka pinigang kalamansi. Nakita nyo nung nakaraan, amiga akong kalamansi. Yung worth 25 pesos na bili ni Sister Baby, piniga ko, nilagay ko sa bote. Doon ako kumukuha ng kalamansi.
sounds good.
Na kinamang inahalo sa bawang with
Just ask me what
mainit na tubig para yung bawang kumatas. Siya ang aking daily maintenance na aking ginagawa. Kasi po, natutunan ko rin niya sa panonood ko sa YouTube. Imbis na mag-take ako ng medicine, hindi na. At nakita ko naman very effective. Siyempre na, una sa lahat, nagpipray muna ako. Pinagpipray ko naman lahat ng pumapasok sa katawan ko. Hindi yung lagok ng lagok. Hindi ganon. Bago mo inumin, ipagpipray mo rin. Ganon lang po yun, ano? Bago mo inumin. Very effective po. Bali, 62 na ako sa August, 63. Oh. Noong August, maglilimang taon. Sa August, 5 years na po akong stroke. Sabi ng doktor, uminom ka ng maintenance. Umaga, tanghali, gabi. Siyempre, doktor yun. Sinunod ko. Pero nung natutunan ko po yung ganito, mga kalamansi, eto, mga lemon, alam ko kasi vitamin C ito nagpapalakas ng ating resistensya. Yung bawang naman, maganda yun sa daloy ng ating dugo. Ano po, yung bawang, garlic water with calamansi. Yung dugo mo pala, ay tama. Mini-maintain niya. Neutralize. Neutralize niya ang level ng dugo mo. Eh, meron pa siyang vitamin C, calamansi, at saka ito. Oh. Pinalalakas yung ating body system. Ito kasing vitamin C, para pagka umiinom ka ng vitamin C, binabalot mo yung buong katawan mo. Yung bakterya, tumatalsik. Ano po? Kanya lang, yung bawang sa bibig mo naman. Kasi, kada inom mo, iniiwan yung hininga mo na mayroong konting bawang. Kaya kinalahunan, mas marami ng bawang kasi araw-araw na eh. Umaga, walang almusal. Pagkagising, garlic water with calamansi. Bago ko mag-almusal, then magpalipas ako ng 30 minutes, saka ako mag-almusal. Sa gabi naman, bago ako matulog, garlic water with calamansi. Kaya sabi ni Sister Baby, may bawang ka na. Hindi balik ako. Sa edad po natin ito, sabi, wala na. Magiging paligero pa, wala na. Oh. Tandaan nyo po, sana meron kayo napulot, ano? Sa aking munting na bahagi sa aking video. Kaya sana kaibigan, i-share nyo na lang nang i-share ang ating video tungkol po sa lemon at saka sa kalamansi at saka bawang. Kuminsan po yung bawang, nilalagyan ko pa ng onion, sibuyas, isang piraso.
Where is she? Should we go pick her up?
Magaling naman yung onion sa ubo. Kapag sa tingin nyo, uubuhin kayo, tumira ka ng bawang, ay, onion, ano ba yun? Sibuyas. Ano po, siyang ilagay mo. Lagyan mo na rin ng bawang. Para effective din. Magaling na antibiotic po yung bawang. May 33 component antibiotic yung bawang. Kaya sa lahat ng gulay, yan ang pinakamagaling na gamot. Kaibigan, like and share and subscribe now na. Sana mag-subscribe po kayo. Sana meron po kayong natutunan, ano? Sa aking munting video, ito po inyong kaibigan, Brother Armani Bautista, kaibigan ninyo kay Jesus. God bless us all. Bye-bye po.